Chuirse sim sa bhiliocht, sa bhelsúnacht agus sa nasúnachas. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of it's a idiom, so maybe not entirely clear what it means. Any other words look familiar? Okay, we'll pick them up later then. Okay, number 9. Agus in the hour og, honig ship we ano John O'Leary, and shen inin a sprage, when ansi machur iskelta agus a gultur na heron.
Something culture of Ireland.
Yeah, culture of Ireland. Young
man.
Young man.
Went.
Oh, young man.
Yeah.
Young man.
The other one. Came under.
And influence.
Yeah, influence, right.
In school.
And someone.
Something Sean Indian.
Okay.
Culture?
Yeah.
Geezer.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, we get part of it. Okay, number 10. Dilse go London fat Tomwell, wo se le scribnori ella agus fad siu cuid veg da cuid danta.
He's a scrivener.
Right.
Scrivener, that's a lawyer that doesn't go to court, he just writes things.
Okay. Something about writing. Writer, yeah.
I guess Maud Gunn is in here, he was fooling around.
Okay. Number 11. Curu Mad Gun in Athnado agus hitche in Raleigh an Turch.
Got in love with Maud Gunn.
Okay.
Her last name was McBride,
Yeah.
so she married somebody else.
Okay.
Was this before
And
he
she
got
was
shot?
Sean McBride, he
Okay.
was one of
When did
the
this
Taoiseach,
happen?
Mhm.
and was
He got shot,
his
didn't
mother, yeah, Sean
Yeah, it
McBride's
says
mother,
right here,
Maud
it's
Gunn.
she.
Right.
Not sure.
Okay, number 12. Nashuni G. Grashich Buyamad, agus Spervan a Rev Antor Urhi, im Ask Navarre. Spervan? That word? Okay.
Pretty
Is that a
good.
loose woman or something?
No, pretty lady, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Any other words in there that look familiar?
Maybe
We had
Don
mask
Hurt, that's the only
before.
one I could-
Yeah.
Yeah, see, Maud
Far is
Gunn
the
was
man.
quite a
The
character.
bear, something on the man or something?
Okay.
Dio Graci, is that degrading?
No. Okay.
Yeah, when I went there, they were trying to.
Well, you got some of the words in each one, and that's the important thing is if you look at them, you can sort of recognize pieces of them. So
Was this woman, right, that's still alive?
we'll kind of
Yeah, Sean
As a
McBride
translator
stuff.
anytime
maybe need a little bit more work to get there, but
Oh, he got shot in 19, I'm shot.
Oh, actually, there's 2 pages
Oh,
for
no,
this.
no, no, this is her son, Sean McBride, he stopped it. when that was
Shanti,
published.
the spare one is pretty lady, how to say handsome man.
there isn't a specific word like that. That's a word that specifically means it, but you would say normally faradahul, which is handsome man. You could also say ban Allen, but spare van really is sky woman. Yeah, literally something like sky woman, and it means yeah.
Pretty woman, I can't find
Yeah, actually, astronaut. Yeah,
Where's Pretty Woman? I can't find it.
woman astronaut would be like Ban Spasara would be a. If that's someone else's thing. Ban Spasara would be a astronaut, but I guess you could come up that way too. All right.
Speak to page 4 is at this point.
Yeah, we're gonna go to page 3 now. 3-ish. Okay.
Oh, I didn't even see that Google translation from the
Oh,
right
yeah,
color. I was trying to make sense of this.
Yeah. Okay. So it's the same text again with some extra comments on it, and we also have the translation this time. So, first of all, Rogu and Phila imala ahaklia savli and ochjeg shasta akuig. So Rogu was born. So and Phila, the poet. So Phila is a poet. Okay. So Rogu and Phila, the poet, was born in Mala Ahaklia in Dublin. Sublian means in the year. Sublian. The word blian is year. Sublian in the year. And then Ochged Shaska Kuig. And this is why we did the numbers, to kind of know a little bit about years. 1865. Okay? So the word Rogu is a good one to know. So Kar Rogutu, where were you born? Kar Rogutu. And you would say Rogume I, I was born in. So you could say Rogume is San Diego, I was born in San Diego.
And East St.
Or Rogume, Kar Rogutu a Chetzling.
Rugame Somalia Atlia.
Okay. Rogu Chetzling Malahaplia.
Sa and the.
Okay. If you want to say country, a lot of times you're going to have sa, so if you were born in Germany, we would have Barbara here today, but you'd say Rogume Sayaramin. Or in Ireland, Rogume Iner, and you could say Rogume America, America. Is anyone else here born in other places? Okay, Rogume in Sasana. Okay. So Kar Rogutu, Rogume I. Okay? And a couple ways to say this actually. I've seen there's two ways that are about even for saying this. So, which year were you born? Ken Vlian Rogutu? So what year Ken Vlian Rogutu you were born? Or you could say Ken Vlian Inner Rogutu. I think I have it a different way somewhere else. You see both of those. Ken Vlian Inner Rogutu, in which you were born. Okay? And you say Rogume I was born in, and the year. So most of us, I think, are going to be in. Yeah, I don't think we have anyone who's born in the 18. It actually is going to be and then Nijeg something. Okay, we won't make everyone reveal their ages, but Rogume Nijeg, whatever. Okay. Now, if you were born in 18 something, I just saw something about some Japanese woman's 114 years old, I guess. So she was born Rogui in Ochjeg Nocha tree. Rogushi in Ochjeg Nocha tree. Okay. So she was born in 1893. Okay. Right. Okay. So does anyone want to put their ear up here?
No, not really.
Okay. So if you were born in 1953, for example, you say Rogume I Nijeg Koiga tree. Okay, Rogume I Nijeg Koiga tree. Okay? So you might want to figure out yours, so if you ever have to have a conversation and want to say it, you know how to say it. Okay? Rogume I. Okay, or you can say, like we have here for his, you can say Rogume Savlian, and then list the year. I was born in the year, whatever. Okay, Rogume Savlian Nijeg Koiga tree. Okay?
Savlian or Balian?
So there's two ways you can say it depending on which dialect you're going with. You can say Savlian, which would be sort of the, more or less, that's one of the standards kind of bouncing back and forth. The other way you can say is Samlian.
Savlian.
Yeah, you'll see later on that I've used a couple
But
of
it's
versions.
but, it's not a v.
It's not a B, it's either a V or an
but.
M.
Oh, okay.
So there's two ways to say it.
Savlian or Savlian?
You'll see Savlian
Savlian.
or,
Savlian.
okay, and it depends. In some dialects you use, like particularly like Connemara, they use this form. So they use sa and they eclipse the word.
Eclipse.
And North,
Ulster.
Munster, I think they use this also, so Savlian.
Savlian.
Okay, it's just Connemara does this.
Savlian.
And the standard kind of bounces back and forth between one and the other, so depending on which year you look at it. Okay, I think this is the current standard, yeah. Okay, Savlian. Okay, but you should be used to seeing that some of these rules on aspiration and eclipsis don't hold the same in all the dialects, so you have to kind of expect them to do different things, but you have to kind of learn whichever dialect you're learning, this is the way they do it in that dialect. Okay. Like the north, they tend to not eclipse things as much as they do in the south and the west. The west, they tend to eclipse things a little bit more. In Kerry, Munster, they tend to eclipse different things than they eclipse in the west. So, but once you know the rules for that region, everything kind of follows the rules. So. Okay. So the sentence again, I'll read it. Rogu and Phila imala ahaklia savlian ochjeg shaska kuig.
Ruben, Philim, Malaklia, Savlian, Ochjeg, Shaska, Kuig.
Okay, Okay, so we'll go read through it later, so this is your practice round. Okay. Bas sligach the winchira water. So his mother's people were from Sligo. Sligach is Sligo in Irish. The expression to find out where someone's from, we've seen this before, I think, Karastich, where you're from. Literally it's something like where from for you, okay? Cut us or what from for you, okay?